Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is another recipe, vegetable sauce, and it was so delicious. I hope you give it a try. These are the ingredients: carrots, onion, broccoli, cauliflower, and Pak Choi. I hope I got the pronunciation correct. This is an Asian vegetable and it's so delicious. Cut them into any preferred shape, then we continue with the process. Add about a tablespoon of tomato paste to half cup of water and allow it to simmer for some minutes. Add the onions. The carrots. Add the cauliflower and the broccoli. I also added some pepper because I wanted it a bit spicy, but if you don't like it, you can just exempt the pepper. I also added more water and some salt to taste. I added some herbs, some basil, oregano, and sage. You can add any spices or herbs that you like. And I also didn't give any specific minute for cooking because it depends on everyone and how they want their vegetables. And always remember to cook your vegetables on low heat. That helps it to cook very well and also retain its nutrients. Our sauce is ready and I hope you enjoyed the video and you also give it a try. If you want something light in the evening, I recommend this recipe for you. You can also pair this sauce with some rice, some yam, cooked potatoes, anything that you like. You can pair it with it and you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it, and as usual, kindly like, subscribe, share, and also leave your comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.